Okay, we're recording. This is the mayonnaise facial.
You really are pretty without your glasses.
Mayonnaise.
Hello.
I want to
help
help
you and giving.
Okay, try to like.
Can I help you?
Hurry it, because I don't have that much battery.
Once I get it all on her, close your mouth unless you want it in there. Close your mouth. Now.
Yummy.
Mix. Juliet.
I got a
Tickle. Lay down.
Lay down.
Tickle. Give that up with your finger.
Do you want me to help?
Someone hold her hand down.
I love it. Oh, that sounds so wrong.
Oh.
I'm sorry, Juliet.
I put in her hair.
Oh, Melanie. I just like hit you with it.
Oh, that's alright.
Keep your eyes and stuff shut.
Let me kind of scrape that off her eyeball. It won't work. I'm so happy I didn't do it. Ew, look at her hair. I'm over here playing with her eyebrows.
You're gonna have to wash.
I wonder
your
how mayonnaise
hair.
feels in your eyes.
Ew.
It's
She looks like the wax man. You look like you're about to
Looks like she's
burn
dying.
me.
Ew, this stinks.
You look kind of pretty.
Ew.